Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. So today what we're doing, something a bit different. We do the odd gadget thing here and there. So this is the Ring stick up camera battery. So normally I've fitted like 2 Ring doorbells, they've done quite good. Done the alarm system. We bought this for the house for extra security, just so we can see what's going on. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what's in the box, how easy it is to set up, should you get one, and then yeah, I think we're going to get some accessories for it after, so hopefully we can get this all set up where we need to be, and then hopefully in the future videos we can change it. So yeah, let's open her up, see what's inside. Then so stick up camera battery. So without further ado, let's open this up. So here's the camera, I believe. That's the camera. That grey thing is the mounting base, and there's your little bracket. So there's the camera there. The box. Got the installation guide, little sticker to say that recording cable. Everything's going USB-C now. So I would have thought that I'd put USB-C instead of a micro. That's not a problem though. And then obviously the instruction manual like so. That's it, that's all in the box. Everything like so. Right then, so next thing you're going to want to do is take the cardboard out. So this is like your mounting bracket, so you could like stick it on the table or wherever you want to hide it, but we don't want to do that, so we're going to want to take this off and potentially screw it on the side so it like sits on the wall like so. So yeah, let's take the covering off first. Here's the side bit. So that's it. Right, so what you're going to want to do first is, after you've took it off, there is a lock symbol and an unlock symbol. So hold it, give it a little spin, and then pull it out. So then what you have here is, this is like the barcode to kind of, when you set the app up, you can connect that QR code on your phone, and then this is the battery. So there's the battery. What I'll do is I'll check with my other Ring doorbell and see if the batteries are the same. Right then, so this is the battery out of here, and this is the battery out of my Ring doorbell 4. So from the looks of it, they look exactly the same. So happy days, it looks like you can interchange. So if you've got a Ring doorbell and you've already got a few of these batteries, you can just keep replacing. So yep, fingers crossed they're exactly the same. So you're going to want to get your cable, pop it in there into a charger. I've just got any old charger, so and then literally plug her in, and then wait till both lights are green, and then take it out. As I've done so like this, it only goes in one way, so slot her in like that. There we go. Right then, so while it's off, obviously I'm going to be putting mine on the side, so I'm going to have it like that kind of thing, so it's going to screw onto the wall. So first thing what you're going to want to do is undo this is like a bracket, so you can kind of take that off and screw it onto the side. So that is what I'll be doing, but for all of you that will just have it normally, it'll just literally just slot back on like normal. There we go, so lock it and then spin like that. Right, so before we do any of that, so I'm going to open her up, put her back in, put the battery in like so. Yep, and then it should turn on. So it should turn on, yep, so it's going blue. Actually, I don't actually need to do that because I think I'm going to need to scan the barcode like that. So what you're going to want to do is get up your phone. There you go, it's just turned on. So get up your phone, ring doorbell, like so. Search, and then go to devices, set up a device, security cam, find a QR code, like so. I'm ready to scan, access your camera, press OK, and then what I'll do is literally scan, stick up cam, plugin detected, address, where it's registered. It's going to go outdoors, front. I've removed the film. How will you power yours? So you can either, I believe you can buy like a power adapter and you can plug it in, so it's on the mains all the time. You can either do battery, or I believe you can do, I'm sure there's a solar panel edition. So mine's going to be running on battery. Please help. Yeah, insert battery cam, wait. Yep, never forget your Wi-Fi password. And then it's going to like try and connect to your Wi-Fi slash, so turn my Wi-Fi on. I'm near the device. Wait for stick up. Yep, the light's flashing blue as it is there. When Wi-Fi prompted, press join. Okay. Ring join. Yep. So the Ring doorbell is going to connect to my Wi-Fi, which obviously my phone's connected to. Hopefully you can see that there. So connecting to your stick up cam, so it's literally phones talking to the Wi-Fi.
Now connected to the Ring app.
There we go, as you can see. And now it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi password. So let's connect that up. So I've just been over to the Wi-Fi. I've put my password in. I have had this on a few of them where it like doesn't connect first try, so don't worry. Check the password again, put it in again, because I was literally like, I put the password in 100% what it said, and it didn't connect, and then I retried again and it connected this time. So at the minute it says it's connected, so it connects to the Wi-Fi, and now it's just said give it a few minutes, it's updating. But on my phone it says set up device, so we're pressing OK, success, you're always home, final steps. So it's like physical installation. Obviously depending on how you want to stick it, if you want to just like stick it on your table, you can do. If you want to bolt it, obviously you can use the mounting brackets to like screw it to a fixed position. But if you wanted to, you could literally like hide it somewhere in your house. So like, I don't know, for example, we'll just go, okay, yeah, we just wanna pop it there, like so. So if that's what you wanted, you could do. But also if you do want it outside, you can take it outside. So yeah, I've already installed. Obviously you can share it to users, so this is not just for one mobile. So like say if you've got, I don't know, for example, you, your kids, your grandmother or whatever, so you could have like this set up on your grandmother's house so you can see what's going on, do you know what I mean? Because I have had like neighbours, that are like my nan or my mum, and like they can have a Ring doorbell, but they can have the login for it. I'm not too sure if you could have like your mum's camera and your camera on different accounts. I'm not too sure if you can run like multiple accounts, but I'm guessing it'd have to be like one sole account, and then you all like join and share as users. So yeah, it says share users, so skip this for now. Add link devices, so obviously skip. Let's make motion, so you can set how far you want. So like if you want to like put it in the garden and you only want to like track the shed, you can like circle the shed out. So optimize for now because it's not in the right position. I'm done. So then front camera is installing an update, so when the front is done, as you can see there, when that's done we'll show you what it's like. So as you can see, I have unscrewed it from the mount. So obviously this bit is like locks into there and then screw. So if you take the screw out, this base plate basically comes off, so that just holds the battery in like so. But then what you can do is you can mount it on its side instead, so like so, and then you can put it on the wall or whatever, for example, and then all you got to do is, obviously that weighs up, but if you push down on it, that's your base plate then. So What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the wall into the mortar, and I'm going to put 2 holes, put brown wall plugs, and then screw into that, put that on the wall, put that onto that, and then put this onto the side like so, with the screw they supplied with a Phillips. So pretty much, as long as you've got a drill, some wall plugs and a screwdriver, you can pretty much put this wherever you want. Right, so we've got the base plate like so, and then what I've done is just mark the wall, so the 2 little holes there I've just lined up. Now what I'm going to do is get my drill with a little drill bit, put the wall plugs in, so little brown ones from any DIY hardcore store, and then some screws just to mount the base plate onto. So just for a little reference, that is where we are. So we've got the wall plugs in place. They didn't supply screws with this one. It does say it supplies screws, but there was no screws in this one. We've got it the right way up as well. So what we'll do now, just screw it in, make sure it's secure, and then we'll put it together. So I take it back. I am sorry, Ring, if you are watching this. They do supply all the bits you need. I couldn't see it in the box. I got the box tipped upside down, but they are supplied, so yeah. You won't need wall plugs because they've got wall plugs there, and the safety screws are in there as well, and the screws I need, because I've used my own screws, the bracket won't actually fit onto the thing now, so I need to take that off, reuse their screws, so fingers crossed. Hopefully you can see that sits a lot better. So see the screws sit pretty much flush in the base plate. So now what we're going to do is put the camera up now. There we go, easy as that. You can adjust it now, but I've literally angled mine into where it needs to be, but that is perfect position now, that is. So happy days. So literally I'm no electrician, I'm literally nothing special, and that was literally so easy. Like honestly, I feel like if you struggle, I feel like you could do it, you know, as long as you had a screwdriver and a drill, you could actually put this up yourself. One thing I would say, people say about the Ring doorbells and stuff, as you say, see, it's just picked up a car going past. It's not a CCTV camera, so don't think that you're going to be able to get in the middle of the night and zoom in across the road and be able to see someone's face or see the number plate. Don't get me wrong, they're a decent camera. Like for the money, yeah, for the money, I really doubt you're going to be able to beat this kind of camera setup. Like obviously I like my quality, I like 4K, I like good quality res image, but to get a CCTV and the hassle of a CCTV is going to be like, for a 4K footage cam CCTV is probably going to cost about £1,000, whereas you can have a Ring doorbell and this and have like reasonably good footage. So obviously check your parameters, so literally just edge the drive on the app, and yeah, like obviously for where we are, I'm not going to show you like where it's covering, but let's just say I could go on my phone now and I can see everything I need to see. So even if I walked across the road, it probably would still pick me up, but obviously it's going to keep notifying you. But the only problem with having that there is when I want to change the battery, I've got to get on the roof and change the battery. So I will be looking into like the solar panel units. The way my house sits, my side of the garage would have light all day. So what I'll do, I'll have a look at the solar panel thing, and we'll see if we can install it to this, so it'll be like a little add-on. But yeah, any questions, anything you want to know, please comment down below. I will link the drill down below if anyone wants to buy one, or I'll link the camera down below, so literally, you know, if you want to do this yourself, you've literally got to click the link in description and you can buy both of them. So yeah, hope that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Something a bit different, yes I know. I enjoy creating content, and I feel like this gives you good value because a lot of people are really interested in these, and you need to secure your homes with the way the world is nowadays. People are taking everything, so just make sure your houses are secured, cameras and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all that madness. If you're into cars, check out my other video. If you want to see Ring doorbell, I'll put it up there or up there. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a good one. Peace.